Hello, everyone. My name is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Today, you're looking at the third video in a series of videos related to the rules of exponents. And what we're going to do today, we're going to harken back to the product rule because there was something I wanted to explain as relates to the product rule. But the same thing still applies. We keep the base and add the exponents. And let's take a look at big example 1, 2, and 3 to help us remember that product rule. So in big example 1, we have x raised to the m power times x raised to the n power, and that will equal x raised to the m plus n power. All right, so let's go to big example 2, in which we have x raised to the third power times x raised to the second power, and that will equal x raised to the 3 plus 2 power. And so it would be x to the raised to the fifth power in the end. So it would be x raised to the fifth power when we add 3 plus 2, where we see it as an exponent. All right, so let's go to big example 3, in which we have 3 raised to the fourth power times 3 raised to the third power, and that will equal 3 raised to the fourth plus third power. And when we add the exponent up here, when we add the two exponents up here, we're going to get 3 raised to the seventh power. Now, I wanted to spend a little time on big example 4, in which we have the quantity of negative b to the fourth times the quantity of negative 3b to the second power. Before we work this out, let's rewrite it this way. Let's write negative b to the fourth power as a negative 1b to the fourth power because they're really the same thing. Okay, so we have the quantity of negative 1b to the fourth power times the quantity of negative 3b to the second power. And just like the rules of exponents, we have rules of integers. When you multiply two negative integers, you're going to get a positive number. And so we have a negative 1 times a negative 3, and that's going to give us a positive 3. Then we're going to combine the exponents right here. We're going to add the exponents as it relates to b because we have a base of b. We have a common base of b, right? And so now we have b to the fourth power times b to the second power, which is really the same as saying b raised to the fourth plus second power, which of course will give us b to the sixth power. And so now our final answer in this case would be 3b raised to the sixth power. Okay, you have been given quite a bit of information, and I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause right now and give everything a once-over, or replay this video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of the product rule as it relates to exponent rules. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.